नमस्कार, मैं सृष्टि श्रीवास्तव आपका स्वागत करती हूँ वीसी मीडिया में। आज हम आए हैं भारत टेक्सटाइल इवेंट में, जो कि ग्रेटर नोएडा के इंडिया एक्सपो मार्ट में आयोजित किया गया है। इसी के साथ मेरे साथ हैं निशा एंड स्नेहा, टीम कुराई की। तो आइए आज इनसे बात करते हैं। हाय मैम।
हेलो।
हाय। सो बेसिकली आपकी कंपनी कितने साल से रन कर रही है और कितने चैलेंजेस फेस करने पड़े आपको यहाँ तक आने में?
So the thing is like हमारा company it's a newly launched company. It's been only like 6 months हुआ है.
But in research and development R&D work was like 2 years it has been going.
Okay.
Only now we have launched. और हाँ आने के लिए
So it's kind of a startup only,
Startup,
but then
so-
yeah. So we are based out of Tamil Nadu, just listening for me.
बहुत दूर आ चुके हैं.
Yeah. And
That's
we wanted to expand ourselves and put out names until Delhi so that people get to know our brand, because we are doing international shipments as well. We are having e-commerce website.
website है.
That's how we
Okay.
use.
oh, that's
So we do B2B, B2C as well. And about our brand, I hope I can go. So about our brand, the thing is we have a lot of verticals starting from food to biofertilizers. So we have food, clothing, accessories, toys, handbags, biofertilizers, and a lot of stuff. And mostly like Depix, tradition, sustainability, and so.
Okay, that's nice. What is your vision?
Okay.
Like आपकी कंपनी आगे कैसे ग्रोथ करेगी और क्या प्लान है आने वाले?
So our vision
new
is
plan.
yeah. You go ahead.
So vision का मतलब like what we have is like हमारा South Indian tradition to show the tradition like all over the world. जो भी sustainable products है we want to like ship it to like globally worldwide करके बेचना है. Like this is what we are looking for like right now.
And also, most of the products that you see here is handmade.
handmade.
And it is providing livelihoods to a lot of people, a lot of artisans. And that's our vision, like providing livelihoods to a lot of people and, encouraging them to promote their product. That's what Pure is all about. Pure, the meaning of the word Pure is roof. It's the roof under which you get all the products.
All under one roof. That is a
All of stuff, you know. Okay, so basically आपकी कंपनी डिजिटल मीडिया पे भी होगी, like Myntra, Amazon, Flipkart.
No, we don't have anything like that. It's an exclusive brand. Like we have our exclusive website. Myntra, like उसमें कुछ भी नहीं है. Like you can find our brand on our name. Like पूरे का
Separate website है.
separate website है. Yeah.
Okay, so जैसे कि इस इवेंट्स में आप आए हो यहाँ पे, what is the strategy to attract reader or like audience in your booth, or like?
Okay, actually, ये सब like handmade है. We have a lot of handmade products and which are sustainable. So people are looking for that actually. They are liking the bags which are placed here, which is more sustainable and which is handmade too. So I think
The word handmade holds a lot of value in itself.
जैसे कि मैंने यहाँ पे कई सारे डिजाइन देखे हैं कुराई के,
Yeah.
ये वाले like this one. सर इसकी मैं प्राइस जानना चाहती हूँ, स्टार्टिंग एंड
yeah,
We
right.
start from around like 600, 700 to 3,200. So most of our products are like reasonable but affordable at a very what do I say, like a affordable fashion. That's the word.
okay.
Luxury.
Okay, so
This is recyclable plastic wire.
okay.
And this is again a step back. So we have actually demodeled traditional
This is
wire
like
bags.
newly launched. Like मैंने कभी ऐसे like bags देखे नहीं, so
Okay.
that's why I'm asking. Okay, so that's nice. And basically आप कितने events अभी तक cover कर चुके हैं मैम?
Like quite a few, like 4-5 events है. Like 2-3 बड़ा events, 2 to 3 big events. Like इतना ही. As we are a newly launched.
Bombay,
We did in Bombay,
Bangalore, Chennai, Tamil Nadu में like
Yeah.
Coimbatore में like we have attended a few events.
This is like new for us to be in
In
the
Delhi.
North India, Delhi में, like Noida में.
And we are getting good reception and that's like really good.
Okay, that's very nice. Thanks. इसी के साथ VC मीडिया चाहती है कि आपकी कंपनी ग्रोथ करे and success पाए. Thank you so much, both of you guys.
Thank you.